Hello students, today we are going to start chapter number 12, name is Heron's formula. First of all, I am taking the introduction of this areas and perimeter. Our first point is, what do you mean by area? That we all know because we are a class 9 student. But see, what is meaning? The space inside the shape is called area. What is meaning this? The shape is this like, and inside this shaded part is called area. This is called area of triangle. Okay, come on. Perimeter, the distance around outside of the shape. Okay, what is the meaning? Like any triangle I have, this is 4 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter, this is 2 centimeter. Okay. And what do you mean by perimeter? Distance around outside of the shape. It means you have to count. You have to add 4 plus 5, 9, 9 and 2, 11 centimeter. This is called your perimeter. Come on, we have some important figures that we have seen in lower classes also. See that areas and perimeter of some important figures. First one is rectangle. What is area of rectangle? L into B. What is perimeter of rectangle? 2 into L plus B. Okay. Then square. What is square? What is area of square? Side square. And what is perimeter? 4 into side. Okay. Right angle triangle. Okay, its area is half base into height. Okay, or its perimeter we can say sum of all sides. Next one is equilateral triangle. It means all sides of triangles are equal. That triangle is equal. Okay, see its area is root 3 upon 4 into side square. And what is its perimeter? 3 into side. Okay, next parallelogram. What is its area? Base into height. And its perimeter is sum of all sides. Clear? What is rhombus? Rhombus, it's like this. Its all sides are equal, but diagonals are parallel to each perpendicular to each other, but diagonals are not equal. Okay, all sides are equal, diagonals are perpendicular to each other, but diagonals are not equal. This is rhombus. It is half d1 into d2. And what is its perimeter? 4 into side. Last one is trapezium. Trapezium means half sum of parallel sides into height. And what is its perimeter? Sum of all sides. Okay. Area of triangle by Heron's formula. Heron was one of the mathematician, famous great mathematician. He was born in Egypt. Okay. And he worked in applied mathematics. Okay. He is considered to be an encyclopedic writer in mathematical and physical subjects. Okay. He has derived the famous formula for area of triangle when sides of triangle are given. It is very important. Whenever sides are given to you, you can find area with help of Heron's formula. This is Heron's formula here. Okay, now I am taking one triangle ABC. This is your triangle ABC. Vertices are given to you ABC. And sides are small a, small b and small c. Now see, what is step number 1? First of all, you have to find semi-perimeter. Perimeter we know, that is sum of all three sides, a plus b plus c. Sum of three sides. And semi-perimeter means sum of three sides upon 2. This is called S. What is the meaning of S? That is semi-perimeter. And what is the second step? Then area. Area is equal to under root S, S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. It is very important. First question is, a traffic signal board school ahead is an equilateral triangle with side A. Find the area of signal board using Heron's formula. Okay, first part is this. Second part is, if its perimeter is 180 centimeter, what will be the area of signal board? Okay, what is given? The signal board shape is equilateral triangle. This is your equilateral triangle with side A. It is given to you. Side is A. Okay. Then what will be semi-perimeter? S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. Here A, B, C all are the same. So here A plus A upon 2. This is your 3A upon 2. This is 3 upon 2 units. This is semi-perimeter. Okay, what is the area of Heron's formula? Area of triangle by Heron's formula? Under root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Okay, now see. S is your 3A upon 2 by 1. Then 3 upon 2 minus A. 3 upon 2 again minus A, because all three sides are equal. 3 upon 2 minus A. Okay, this as it is after taking LCM. This is 1. 2 and 1 LCM is on 2 only. This is 3A minus 2A. Here again 1. Put again 1. This is 3A minus 2A upon 2. 3A minus 2A upon 2. This is here 3A upon 2 to the 4. 4 to the 8. 8 to the 16. Okay. Here A into A into A. Okay, then what will come? Under root, what is square root of 16 is 4, and here is A power 4. Square root of A power 4 is A square. One important formula is under root 3 upon 4 A square for an equilateral triangle. Okay, what is the second part? If the perimeter is 180 centimeter, what will be the area? Okay, perimeter is given to you 180 centimeter. Okay, what is perimeter of equilateral triangle? 3 into side. Side is 3. A. Side is A. Then 3 into A is equal to 180. What will be A? 180 upon 3. This is 60 centimeter. Okay, now what to do? We have to find area. What is area of equilateral triangle? Under root 3 upon 4 into side square or A square. So under root 3 is under root 3 upon 4. This is 60 into 60. Okay. This is 15. 15, 6 are 90. One more 0 will come. Square. This is your answer. Yes. Second question is, a triangular side walls of a flyover have been used for advertisements. The sides of the walls are 122 meter, 22 meter and 120 meter. The advertisements yield on earning of rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. 5,000 per meter square per year. A company hired one of its walls for 3 months only. Keep in mind, it is given in 3 months. How much rent did it pay? Okay, what you have given, the sides of sides of a triangle A, B and C, it is given to you. Let's say this is A, this is B and this is C. What is semi-perimeter? S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. Here is A plus B plus C upon 2. Put sides here 122 plus 22 plus 120 upon 2. When you add it, you will get 264 upon 2. This will be here 132 meter. Okay, what is the area of triangle by Heron's formula? Under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, like this. What S is given? 132. Then 132 minus A. A is what? 122. 132 minus B. B is what? 22. and 132 minus C is what? 120. Then what will be 132 into, this is your 10 only. This is 110 and this is 100. This is only 12. Okay. Now you see 132 as it is. This is 10. I can write 11 into 10 into 12. Okay. Now 11 into 12 is 132. This is 132 I am writing here. This is 10 I am writing. 10 into 10 here writing. And this is 132. And if I take out this 132 two times, then after removing the square root, this 2 times 10 is 1 time. This will be 1320. What is the unit? Meter square. Okay, for removing square root, make a pair with these 132 two times, then you have to write 1. 10 is given 2 times, then after taking square root it will come 1. 132 into 10 is your 1320 meter square. Then after it is given how much amount he has to pay. Right, amount has to pay 5,000 rupees. How much area covered? 1320. But for only 3 months, and it is area, this is for rent for 1 year. So convert, this is 3 months. I am converting year on dividing 12. So 3 we can 12 ones are 12, 12 ones are 12, 12 ones are 12 and 0. Okay, here is 5,000. Here is 330. Okay, 3 5s are 15, 1. 15 and 1, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros is up. 3, 4 zeros. Okay. 16 lakh 50,000 can I write like this? 16 lakh 50,000 we have to, that person has to pay. This is your answer.